Welcome back to mechanical.com. In this video, we are going to create this 3D model using its drawing. So let's start with the drawing. This is the drawing. See, this total length is 75 millimeter and the total height is 35 millimeter and the width is 54 millimeter. Also, there are two slots. The slot thickness is 14 millimeter and the distance from this point to the bottom line is 12 millimeter and also the distance from this point to the top edge is 5 millimeter and from this point to this point the distance is 15 millimeter. In the top face there is a cutout. This cutout is 14 millimeter and the distance from this point to the outer line is 20 millimeter and this line length is 12 millimeter and the total length is 20 millimeter. So these are the dimensions and now let's start the tutorial. Go to Solidworks and open a new part file. Click OK. Change the IPS system into MMGS system. Now select the right plane and sketch. Draw a vertical and horizontal center line. Escape. Now go to line command and draw lines like this. Escape. Go to smart dimension. This length is 75 millimeter. This length is 20 millimeter. This height is 35 millimeter. And this height is 12 millimeter. Now go to features, extruded boss base. Select here midplane and type 54 millimeter. Click OK. Zoom to fit. Now select this face and sketch. Go to line command and draw a line like this. Escape. Go to smart dimension. The distance from this point to this point is 15 millimeter. And also from this point to the top edge is 5 millimeter. Now go to features, extruded boss base, reverse the direction. See, now this arrow is inward, which means that this body will be extruded. So click OK. Select here blind and type 14 millimeter. Also reverse the direction. See, click OK. Now we want the same interface on the other side. So select here mirror and choose right plane. And in this section, select here this last option. Click OK. See, now we want to make this cutout. So select here this face and sketch. Draw a center rectangle. Go to smart dimension. This length is 14 millimeter and this height is 12 millimeter. And also the distance from this point to this point is 20 millimeter. Click OK. Go to Features, Extruded Cut. Select here through all. Click OK. Left click. See, our part is complete. Now for the appearance, select the whole part. Go to Appearances and select any color you want. I am selecting this color. Click OK. See, this is the final look. Control 7. I hope you liked the video. If you liked, hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel for more videos.